Good morning. This is Kashif Moghal from Cash Data Consulting LLC. Happy Saturday. We only have about 10 days left in 2024. You can do some stuff this year if you haven't done anything. So today we're going to continue with our series on Google Business Profile. This is part six. We are going to focus on adding updates in your business listing. Wait, what? You can update a post on Google or update? Well, Mr. Cash, yes, you can. So, um, an update on Google My Business is really similar in concept to like a short blog post, or think of it as you're doing a social media post. It's not any different. Obviously, it's not a huge social platform like Facebook or Instagram or YouTube, but it's Google. So you want to definitely pay attention. There are really three kinds of updates you can do on a Google Business Profile. You can just do like a regular update. It could be something happened with your business or a blog post or you read at the website. It could be an offer, which could be special or limited time thing that you're running. Or the third thing is, it's an event. I mean, you could have an open house, you could have a rebranding, you could have a charity event. So let's switch gears and look at some examples first. So I'm going to start with my company first. So if you Google Cash Data, uh, you'll see the business profile on the right. That's my awesome team. And if you need help with digital marketing, please reach out to us. But if you scroll down, you will notice towards the bottom, this is where you see the updates. So an associate posted this 3 days ago. It says the holiday season, we're filled with gratitude and business individuals. This is where you will see the updates. And what do the updates do? They make your Google business profile prominent. Okay. That's the whole idea. And we'll talk about how often should you post and what you do. I'm also, by the way, going to be adding some links to the bottom. So this is a article from Google Business Profile support site. It talks a little bit about that, best practices and whatnot. You can certainly check it out. I also found a very good video from Mr. Keegan Edwards. Thank you for putting that together. Put this about a year ago. You can check that out. The second uh, example I want to show you is one of our clients that we have talked about, 20 West Legal out in Sudbury. They need one more review to make it 199 reviews right there. So help them out. But again, same thing on the right side. If you scroll down, we'll talk about the company, but you can see that about yesterday, actually, they put something. Um, we're posting for them and they're posting too, but the 4% rule. They're talking about that. All right, Cash. So that's great. How do I do this? All right. Well, first, how often should you update? Our clients ask this all the time. I would say definitely once a week. I mean, is preferred, but at a very minimum, you could do once a month. I think if you do once a month, at the end of the year, right, you're gonna have 12 posts at the end of the year. So now what can you post? There's some random ideas here. You can copy paste if you're doing social media marketing already. You can copy paste from them. You can also use, let's say you do a blog post, you carry like a snippet from your blog post, you can push that. Or my favorite, if you really can't think of any content, reach out to ChatGPT or an AI tool and see if you can do that. So today we're going to update on two client listings. One is North Texas Allergy and Asthma Center, and the other one is Starcia Law. If you have time. Oh, Cash, show me the money. So let me go back into my profile. So here I'm logged into Google Business Profile. The link, by the way, is business.google.com. If you don't know how to get there, that's how you do that. So I'm going to scroll down to the client. Here it is. They have multiple offices, but here's the one we're going to post. This is on Prosper. And again, how do you find the update? Couple of ways you can get there. You can see it right there in the middle where it says add update. Or if you scroll to the right, if you're logged into the right account, you can also click here. We're going to use this option right here. All right, so what do we need? We need a photo, we need a description, call to action, and the link. So if I did this right, I think I have something already. So today we're going to be posting on seasonal allergies, which I'm actually suffering from today. That is why I sound like a horse. So let me put the description. With the description, remember you always want to, have have some keywords in there. I'll show you an example from my post that I did earlier also. And the picture, we're going to find a good picture here. Let's see, seasonal allergy symptoms. I think this is a good one. You can certainly add dentin to this too. I would do that, but let me just grab this, go back. And if you don't have pictures, you know, find royalty-free images. There's like a million of them. So this picture should work, I believe. And then obviously you could do book, order, learn more, sign up, call now. I think call now is a good one too, but I'm going to select learn more, and let me scroll down. Oops, not that one. Go here, learn more. Here's the link. And of course, I do not have a link. That would be too easy. So let's, oh, Cash. Let's find the page. This is the client. I believe it's a blog post that I did for them. Let me scroll down a little bit here. Seasonal allergies. Here it is, right here. See, back in June. So if I copy, let me just copy this one. I'm going to find the URL. It's always a good idea to grab it from the website. That way you're not fat fingering it or something. All right, so let's recap. So we got the photo, we got a little bit of description, and I mean, you can do a preview, but I'm going to just post it because I'm confident in my skills. So it says update is posted. It was being reviewed. If it's not approved, you will receive an email. Generally, these are posted very quickly. I know it shows like it's posted, but and if you scroll down, you can notice that last month we posted something on allergy shots. Um, and blog post, and yeah, that's the idea basically. Okay. um, all right, let me go back to our PowerPoint. I think the other one I wanted to show you was Sarsia, but before I do that, let me find one that I wanted to show you this one too, actually, for Tire Law Group. This is something, no, not that one. I'm getting all confused here. I think I can just go to the browser. So if I go back to the browser, Tire Law Group, which is out in California. And if you need some estate plan, definitely go check it out. Talk to him. All right, so this is his listing. I mean, look at this. They've had about 1,000 interactions in about I think it's 3 month time frame. And if you scroll down, another thing you can do is let's go here. Let's look at all these updates. Here you go. So this is something we put together a couple days ago. It's a free case evaluation. They're going to offer you a free consult. You can call them, email them, and then if you click here, this is call to action button. It should ideally open up their page, but let's try this. All right, there you go. So it takes you to their contact us page. You can certainly fill out your information and you get a free consult. Um, I think the last thing I was going to show you, we're not going to have time to do the Starcia today, so we'll skip that. But if I go back to one more, if I go back to 20 West Legal, for example, I do want to show you an update that we did for them a couple days ago, because you may have an event. So, here you go. See this on the right side? It says webinar and estate planning. If I click here, it'll actually take, and you can certainly update these, you know, the event or whatever. But this one tells you this is a webinar on estate planning. It's coming up on December 30th. Join Barbie, who works with them. You can add your link there, and then you can certainly add hashtags. Okay, so I hope you found that helpful. I believe that's all I really have here. Um, if you have any questions, please reach out to us. We're based in Plano, Texas. There's our contact information. And for this month, in fact, for the next month, this month is coming to an end, we are really offering a huge discount. This is 50% off of our regular Google Business Profile services. When you do reach out, please use the code GBP50. Got it? Other than that, happy holidays, happy Hanukkah. No ruse. We'll see you next year. Cheers.